While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. Snacking. Because I'm kind of nervous of watching this. I was told I should check this out. ENHYPEN Untold Concept Cinema. This is a trailer? We're about to check out ENHYPEN Untold Concept Cinema. I've been told to check this out. When did this come out? 4 days ago. Oh my fucking god. It's 12 minutes. This is a trailer? I'm not ready. Anyways, let's get into this. Let's go. Be sure to check out my Patreon. Let's begin.
Breaking news. The nation is in the midst of a massive vampire extermination operation.
I forgot vampires.
Government and military
Forgot vampires are real.
An urgent statement declaring an end to any coexistence between humans and vampires.
Wait, what?
The streets are filled with citizens demanding the eradication of vampires, while special forces intensify the operation nationwide.
Where's Blade when you need him?
해는 완전히 저물었어. 지금 떠나야 해.
Oh, I've seen this clip. Take that blood. Dang, got that guns. Oh, I can see why people were thinking like BAP type of ish. This is ENHYPEN, y'all. Whoa. Oh, this is so nicely shot. Oh shit, they have wanted posters? How much? Priceless. Vampire. They move in the night. Cause the sun they can't fight. But you show them the neck. They bite. Alright, let me stop.
야 뭐해? 왜 안 타?
Who the hell is that? A piano? A tiny piano.
클로이를 두고 갈 수는 없어. 그게 무슨 소리야?
Bro, this seems like a
리버필드에
movie.
데려가기로 약속했어. 클로이는 인간이야. 우릴 추방하고 죽이려는 종족이라고.
Oh,
클로에는
shit.
그런 인간들이랑은 다르지.
Oh shit, it's gonna be like
나도
the
같은
X-Men.
생각이야. 그녀를 데려가야 돼.
They're gonna split.
클로에가 어디 있는지 알고 있어. 오래 안 걸릴 거야.
Damn, Chloe, they all
지금
want you.
클로에게 가면 위험할 수도 있어. 그래도 다들 후회 없겠어?
Damn, they ready to die for Chloe. What the hell? Let's go, Chloe. Oh, don't tell me some people are gonna die. Is someone gonna die? Ah, shit. Don't tell me, chat. Don't spoil it for me.
그녀는 우리를 지켜준 유일한 인간이었다.
Okay, facts. So we're going back for her.
우리는 그녀를 위하여 음악을 만들었고
You made music for her?
음악은 항상 그녀와 우리를 하나로 만들어 주었다.
Okay, she seems really important to y'all, so. I see.
그녀는 우리의 음악을 기록했다.
I see. She's your CEO?
우리는
your
수많은
manager?
멜로디를 만들어냈고 오직 그녀를 위하여 노래를 하고 춤을 추었다.
So only for her, a private concert. I'm kind of jealous of Chloe. That's nice. They got tapes on tapes on
어느새
tapes.
악보와 테이프는 쌓여져 갔다.
이 모든 것이 우리의 추억이었다. 오늘 우리는 그녀와 함께 리버필드로 떠날 것이다.
Riverfield, okay. Damn, this is a whole ass anime episode or K-drama or movie. Wow, look at the filming and color correction and just the vibe of it. It's so good. The lighting too.
모두 총 꺼내.
Damn, they got guns.
그냥 자연스럽게 지나가면 되는 거야.
Are we shooting? I'm scared. What the hell? Oh, hell no, they look like trouble. Hey, don't trust the popo. Hey, what you want? What you want, human?
We're doing traffic control ahead due to a vampire arrest operation.
How can you tell if they're vampires?
Heading?
We go on a river
Just head
field.
towards town square.
Okay, use your
Take
English.
the route down there. You boys better get home quickly. It's getting crazy out there.
Okay, Atkins.
All 7 vampires confirmed.
Oh shit.
All units cleared to fire.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait.
All units cleared to fire.
Oh hell nah. Oh, I got chills, y'all. What the hell? At a music store? What we gonna do at a music store? Hey, get them guns out, y'all. Oh damn, they got the squad already. What we gonna do though? This is a teaser? A trailer? Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Okay, I'm ready. Nah, are they dead? No, they not dead.
Hey! Aim for the vampire's head!
Oh shit! I actually wanted him to bite him though. I thought it was gonna be bloody. That'd be kind of crazy, but you know that works too. That's fire. Ooh. Ooh. Oh shit! Oh shit! John Wick. Damn! Oh, they got strength. They came out with the goddamn shotguns. Oh shit! Okay, he jumping high as hell next to the moon. Yeah, he didn't have to do him like that. Okay, Nikki. Oh, they shooting, y'all. Use him as a meat shield. Oh, don't you die. He better not die. How you gonna shoot his ass like that, bitch? The fuck? Oh, no, he not dead. He just down. He just got hit, right? Bro, shotguns, you have to go up closer, y'all. Damn, why he look so damn cold coming out in the shootout? What the hell? So icy with it, bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, okay, we doing. Oh no. Oh, he good. Damn, Nikki, get up. Wait, who got shot? Oh, hell nah. Are we dying today? Yeah, throw them damn grenades. Ship it, throwing them grenades. Who threw? Wait, who? Oh, they throw it. I thought the vampires were gonna throw grenades. My bad. No! Bro, just bite they ass. Aren't y'all faster? Ain't vampires like faster than humans? Oh shit, y'all. Who the hell survived?
Damn these vampires.
Uh-huh. Better recognize, bruh. He's good, I guess, huh? Oh, he not that good, though. Oh, we in the music room. Wait, where Chloe at? Hey, watch out for that chandelier or light. Yeah, it's the same place. Oh no, the camera. Oh shit, this is the tapes that they recorded. No! This is the last thing he's gonna hear? Are they all dead? Ah, hell no, they can't be dead. They vampires. Aren't vampires like immortal? Oh, hell no. Well, if they're dying, they look good. Dying. Oh, Nikki. They just taking a nap? I think so too. They have silver bullets? Isn't that silver bullets only affect on the werewolves though? Oh shit. Oh, cause it's the past, yeah. Only if you say yes. Oh.
오직 너만 줄 수 있는 허락의 말.
What's happening? Oh, tape. Nah, vampires are weak to silver too? What the wait, hold up. I'm gonna look this up. What are vampires weak to? Sunlight, of course. Oh, they are weak to silver. Decapitation, stake through the heart, holy water, crucifixes, running water. Running water? Sunlight. XO means hugs and kisses, that's right. So O means kisses? Or O like yes? O could be yes too, and X could be no. So werewolves are weak to silver as well. Damn, fire. Damn. What a crazy trailer, chat. Wow. To be honest, I thought they were gonna sing. Hell, listen. They really did their thing. That's what they did. That's for sure. Okay, ENHYPEN. Bro, I just mad as Nikki just got wrecked first, bro. I swear, they could have just beat their ass. I swear to God. Ain't vampires fast? What are vampires' superpowers? What are vampires' superpowers? They can shapeshift, hypnosis, teleportation, immortality, animal control, weather manipulation, super speed, mind reading, flight. Bro, they could have murked these people. They could have murked these people. Man. Bro, if I was a damn vampire and a bullet killed me, bro, I'd be mad as hell. No. When is ENHYPEN's comeback? July 12th, right? Yeah, July 12th. Damn. You need to watch True Blood. I have watched True Blood when I was younger. That's all. I kind of want to. The fact that you brought up True Blood and not Twilight. Damn. Let's go. I'm excited for ENHYPEN. That was cool. That was dope. That was dope.
Hey, you better subscribe.
while Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.